couldn't get the parts, so we came to the place with the parts. Now they don't have the parts.
Hi, I'm Vincent Piemonte, driver of the number 30 HARD Motorsports car.
Well, almost done. Hopefully, maybe.
It's good. Next session will be better. It's always that first session, right? Because now we know where Krieger is. So did I do something wrong?
The light
So
goes
there's
off.
there's a traction control light, and then it says the words DSC off.
You know, I mean, it was a surprising amount of footage of us in the short storms.
Can I drive it now?
I think so, yeah. Is it good to drive?
Well, so far everything is running, it's shifting, it's pretty remarkable. The brakes are slowing it down, going straight somewhat. We still have to set the toe and all the whole setup and everything, but now we're just checking things over, making sure that the oil is not leaking anywhere and all the coolers are working and not leaking. But so far it looks promising. Hopefully we can make it out for the practice, just kind of shake it down, feel it out and send it. All right, that's what we do. We send it gently. Explode, it's still running. There are no liquids underneath, you know, for just a tape measure setup and quick tire pressures, and we have a good bit of toe out, and that helps it turn in. DSC unfortunately turns back on, so I can't get the power out of the corner. It kind of keeps intervening, so if we can find that, I think we'll be okay. You know, a lot of teams didn't think that we were going to be here on the second practice running as well as we do, with no leaks and no warning lights or anything coming on, so it's pretty impressive.
It's saying he has 10 degrees wheel angle in. So then the DSC is like, this isn't right. I must be on ice or something. And it turns back the DSC on. This is like 90% mental, only 10% actual science.
We're just getting ready for qualifying. No big deal.
Alright, last piece of the puzzle.
Yeah, so let's look at the traces before that. That's where I had my best rolling lap.
Came in 45 pounds under the minimum legal weight at Tech after practice. A lot of it has to do with you rebuilt a car that was completely wrecked, so there's always going to be bolts laying around, right? So stop moving. Stop moving. That's what we're trying to fix. And I'm just making sure that I'm getting those calculations right. Oh my God, it's all over the place.
Our plan of attack is to go out and drive the car We're still not 100% sure if everything is perfect, but I know the guys have worked extremely hard on getting it done. Now it's my turn to pay them back. Maybe we'll find some things that we would like to change before the race, handling wise. This is kind of our first opportunity to do that. So once I get a lap in, I'm gonna go as fast as I can, and then just deal with what I got and get us up as high as we can so we get a starting position, and hopefully this afternoon we have something for them in the race. Shift into fourth, and then obviously it's a short shift, but I can feel the torque is back. Even though the lights for DSC was that it was not off, it probably was off, and what we are dealing with yesterday is what we're dealing with now.
There. You got a boost leak. The gasket, it was chafed or pinged, so we changed that now.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. The car didn't have the power it needed in qualifying, and we found a boost leak, so we think that's the problem, but we're going to go out and run a hardship lap just to make sure before we start the race.
Unfortunately, we still have the problem. It was actually every corner. Maybe we will find the fault now. So at least it was consistent this time and not intermittent. We'll see.